Hello everyone, today we'll use ceramic sleeves to reduce the burr in different materials which we are welding. So today we'll take a 3.3 mm rod and weld it using ceramic sleeves. We'll take the sample, align it such that it comes in the middle. Now we'll clamp it and reset it to this original place. Adjust the knob, adjust the current, and then weld. Now we'll smash the ceramic sleeve using a hammer and we'll check the output. Now we will be annealing. Annealing helps in strengthening the material. Once it is red hot, you can see it is material is properly welded. We don't need to use any kind of burr removal grinding in this, so the output is clean enough and ready to be used. Now we'll try to test the strength of the weld, and it is coming out pretty good.